So in this tutorial, we learn how to uninstall Python packages in PyCharm. So first, open your PyCharm Community Edition. So on the top left corner of your screen, click the main menu button and click Settings. So on your left side of your screen, click Project, the one that contains the name of your project, and click Python Interpreter. So here you'll see all the packages installed in your PyCharm. So let's say you want to uninstall matplotlib or numpy. Simply click on the package and click the minus sign to uninstall and click OK. So we have uninstalled matplotlib in PyCharm. To confirm this, come to the main menu once again, Settings, and when you see the Python interpreter, you can see that you no longer have a matplotlib because we have successfully uninstalled it. So you can use the same process uninstalling the packages that you want to uninstall. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.